Hi, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this kind of paper airplane. So as you see, it's got like that, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make it. So all you're going to be needing is a piece of paper. Okay. So all you're going to do with the paper is take it like down, not like, don't take it like this, take it like this. And then fold it and make sure it's lined up very good so it can fly better. And then just push it down like that, push it down, then open it back up, take this part and then fold it like that. Make sure it's on the line that you see. Do the same thing with the other side. And when you're done with that, it should look like this. And then you're just gonna take this and then take it and then fold it down to the, like, to the point of the end of the paper. As you can see right here, that's how you're supposed to do it. And then you just fold what you did on the last step. You're going to fold it. If you see a little line here, fold it like what you did on the other step. So it's gonna be like this, like that, like that. Do the same thing with the other side. Okay, and then you will see there will be a space right here. You're gonna fold it and then hold it and then fold it like this. And then make it like that. And then all you're gonna do is fold it again. Fold it like this. Yeah, fold it. No, this way. Fold it like this way. So you're gonna take this part, fold it like that, leave it, and it should look like that. Do the same thing with the other side. That. Then take it like that, fold it, and boom, made paper airplane. But you still missed a part. All you gotta do is take these two edges and fold them on the front, like that. Like that. You're gonna make another one on the other side, like that, and boom, you made your paper airplane. Hopefully this tutorial worked out, and make sure you like and subscribe, and peace.